Hi guys, Shukesh here. Today in this video, I'm going to do a quick speed test of the fingerprint sensors on the Lenovo ZUK Z1 and the Motorola Moto G4 Plus, or I should say Lenovo Moto G4 Plus. Now as you have the navigation keys on screen, the fingerprint sensor here doesn't work as the home key, unlike the Z1 here or Samsung Galaxy or iPhones. These type of sensors are usually placed at the back of the phone. Now what I like most about this sensor is it works even when the display is off, whereas on the Z1 you have to basically press on the home button to turn on the screen and then only the fingerprint sensor will work. I have already done this type of test in between the Moto G4 Plus and the iPhone 6s Plus. Now let's get started, and well, I think the Moto G4 Plus was slightly quicker, might be because I had to actually press on the home button of Z1. Well, let's redo this test. I want to give the Z1 another chance, and once again the G4 Plus unlocks faster. As the home button on the Z1 is not raised from the base, my thumb doesn't really fit into the small rectangular dip and I have to actually press harder. Now I also want to check the sensor speed when the displays are on, and this time the Z1 is blazing fast. As there wasn't any animation, it feels like the Z1 was ready before the Moto G4 Plus. I want to do a retest and check. Yes, the Z1 is the winner. The Moto device have some animations just like the iPhone, whereas the Z1 takes you directly to the home screen. Now I have swapped the phones to make this test fair. First I will try with the screens off. Definitely the Moto G4 Plus was slightly faster, as the push button on the Z1 takes some time to respond. Now let's try again with the displays on. Just like before, the Z1 takes you directly to the home screen. G4 Plus looks slightly slower because of the animations. Now if you ask me, I will say I prefer the Moto G4 Plus because I will be unlocking the devices when the screens are off, and the sensor on this device is active all the time, which is quite convenient. I can just pick the phone and touch. It feels really good, and I just think the sensor should be at the back side of the phone where the Motorola logo dimple is. I sometimes make the mistake of pressing the sensor, but after a while I got used to this. Well friends, that's all in this review. Thanks a lot for watching. Check the description below for more interesting videos on the Moto G4 Plus and the ZUK Z1.